Espresso coffee drinks have grown in popularity. They are delicious but also expensive to buy. At a coffee shop on a regular basis, good news, you can make one at home. Today I will make a cafe mocha. It is a popular espresso drink that includes chocolate. The first step is to brew your espresso. 2 scoops of espresso for a larger drink, 1 for a small drink. You can use strong regular coffee if you don't have an espresso machine. The next step is to put your chocolate in your cup, 2 to 4 tablespoons or pumps depending on how sweet you like it. Then stir. Next, you will need to steam and froth your milk. You can use any type of milk. If you don't have an espresso machine, shake the milk in a jar and then microwave it, or use a coffee press. Finally, add the warm milk to the cup of chocolate and espresso. Use a spoon to hold back the foam so it will be on top. There you have it, a delicious cafe mocha.